Hello guys, welcome back to this page. So there is something else I want you to know about Google Sheets or Google Spreadsheet. So Google Sheet is loaded with useful features, including the ability to find and remove duplicated entries or data. It takes a bit of time to know how to set it up. As you can see, we have it here. You understand me? So there are so many methods. There are different methods. So I'll just write a few here, which I have done. Then I will do one practical with you. You understand? So you can practice at your own time. So this is the first method. This is the first method. You understand me? Then we have another method, the second method, which is using formula. You can actually use formula to do that. Okay, so but when you are, because why I want to teach you this, I was with a telecom company rather, before I moved to oil and gas sector. So in one of my interviews, it was one of the questions, and I was shocked to actually come across that. But to the glory of God, I'm already an expert when it comes to all these Excel, Google Sheets, and the rest of them. So I was familiar with my Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. So it was very easy for me. It wasn't difficult, and trust me, I was the only one that got it during that interview. So, and I was even in my during my first time of graduating and attending a job interview. So guys, I want to quickly show you this. So these are my data. I've already written it. I didn't want to start taking your time, to start putting the data in your presence. I've already taught you guys how to put data. All right, so I just name it Learn and Earn Academy Students. Let's say this is their data. All right, so this is their name. So if you check here, you see some names appear twice, but how are you going to get them? So what do? You just drag. So after highlighting, you go straight to data. When you go straight to data, you just go to remove duplicate. It depends on what you are asked to do. They can ask you to find the duplicate. They can ask you to also remove the duplicate. So we are in column A. We selected all of column A. Understand? Okay, let's remove duplicate. You see, so 4 duplicate rows found and removed. That means 4 names were duplicated and we removed them, and we have 10 rows, or they say 10 unique rows remain. These are rows that don't have duplicates. They appear just once. All right, so we go back to this and repeat the same thing. We click on data, then click on data cleanup. As you can see, remove duplicate. You do the same thing. So here they found just one duplicate, so that means there is a month that appeared twice. They found it and removed, and it's remaining 12 unique rows. So what do? We go back to this. This is their year of birth. We do the same thing. So this is their year of birth. We click and do the same thing. All right, so we just click on data, go scroll down to data cleanup, then we see remove duplicates. We click on remove duplicates, and you see, so they have told you that 7 duplicates were found and removed. 8 unique rows remain. So you do the same thing here. You do the same thing here. So you click on data, go straight to the data cleanup, then click on remove data. They will show you that they showed you that they removed the 5 duplicate rows. They found 5 duplicate rows and removed. Then it's remaining 9 unique rows. These ones did not appear twice. Okay, so this is how it is done, how to remove duplicates and all of that. So but I will prefer to put all of them back. So what do? I click on Control Z, and I will have all my data back with me. All right, so there are so many things you can do with it. So you can also find, maybe they may not ask you to remove duplicate. They may also ask you to find duplicate. Okay, so everything is here for you to learn. I don't really want to waste your time. So they can also ask you to find duplicates. Like I said before, you must not just find and remove. They can just tell you to find. You find and highlight. You find and highlight. So every damn formula is here for you to study at your own pace and practice. Yeah, so just take your time, study and practice. So for those of you coming from YouTube, when you watch us from YouTube, you may not understand until you get the complete class. Okay guys, so let me just try and give you one example with formula, like finding duplicate. They can just tell you to find it. So all you need to do is come here, anywhere you want to find. Maybe you want to find all of them, you find them one after the other. You just highlight the names first. Let's start with that. We click on format, go to conditional formatting. So there is a formula, okay? So the formula is already here. So to avoid wasting your time, we'll just copy the formula. So immediately you copy the formula, it will replace it with your actual range. You understand? So what do? So this is it. All you need to do is you click here, then scroll down to custom formula. All right, so when you choose custom formula, you click here. Once you click, as you can see, the duplicates have shown Peter, Paul, Okonta, Peter, Paul, Emmanuel, Okonta. So they are already here. So you go back. Done. Yeah, we are done here, okay? So you go back and do the same here. You go back and repeat the same method here. You click on format, go straight to conditional formatting. Just click here, go find the custom formula. So this is the easiest way. Maybe you're an exam or a job interview, this is the easiest way to do it. So if they are giving you this kind of question, they will definitely provide you a laptop, or they may ask you to come with yours. So it's good you master it. Then you go back here, do the same thing. Okay. So conditional formatting, let's just go straight here. Let's just click here and get the custom formula. All right, this is Excel helps you. It has everything, so you don't have to start cracking your brain. You see, it has highlighted the years that appear twice, like 1980, 1992, 1995, 90, that kind of thing, 90, so everything has appeared. So we go to their marks. There are some that score the same mark. So what do? We click on format, go here, then we click on formatting. Don't mind me for that. So we click on conditional formatting, come over here, click here, scroll down to custom formula, then paste our formula. Once we paste our formula, we are done. Okay, so this is it. So it has shown you the people that scored the same. 66 was scored more than once, 89 was scored more than once, right? 84 was scored more than once, 78, 95, they were all scored more than once. So this is it. So take your time and practice further. And you can also help me by leaving a comment on my YouTube channel or asking people to also join us. I have so many other free tips to give you over there. Thank you.